Students, we are going to do your English P work. Your book is my dictionary of everyday word. In this, we will learn about some words, their meaning, and make sentence about them. First word for you is absent. Now, what is meaning of absent? Not present or did not come. Then you have to make a sentence like Gori is absent today. In your exams, you can speak any sentence like she is absent today. Okay, and your next word is address or addresses. Address means the place where a person lives. And the sentence is my address is 34/B2 Janakpuri, New Delhi 11027. Your next word is album or albums. Its meaning is a book for keeping stamps, coins, or photographs. Its sentence is I have my own album. Okay, I have my own album. You can also make I have many albums like this way. Next word is your ambulance. What is the meaning of ambulance? A van that carries sick or injured people to the hospital. And the sentence is the ambulance is standing outside the hospital. Next word is army or armies. The meaning of army is a large group of soldiers, and the sentence is a group of soldiers is called an army. Your next word is bake. What is meaning of bake? To cook something in an oven. I baked a cake yesterday. Next word is bandage. The meaning of bandage is a piece of cloth to tie around a wound or to cover a wound. And the sentence is the nurse tied a bandage around the boy's knee. Your next word is blind. The meaning of blind is not able to see. Mohit helped the blind man to cross the road. Next word is broom or brooms. The meaning of broom is a brush with the long handle used for sweeping. And the sentence is she sweeps the floor with the broom. The next word is button. The meaning of button is a small object sewn on to clothing. And the sentence is this shirt has 6 buttons. The next word is calf or calves. The meaning of this word is a young cow, and its sentence is the calf and its mothers are eating grass. Okay, and next word is clinic. The meaning of clinic is where a place where people go to when they are sick. Okay, like a hospital. And the sentence is my father takes me to the clinic when I am sick. Next word is cousin. The meaning of cousin is uncle's or aunt's child, and its sentence is my cousin lives abroad. Next word is cupboard. The meaning of cupboard is a piece of furniture with 1 or 2 doors at front and shelves for keeping clothes and other things. And the sentence is Sakshi is putting her clothes in the cupboards. Next is customer. What is the meaning of customer? A person who buys something from shop. And the sentence is the customer is buying fruits from the fruit seller. Next word is dead. The meaning of dead is not alive. And the sentence is the fisherman saw a dead crocodile near the river. Next word is dirty. The meaning of dirty is not clean. And the sentence is your shirt is dirty, go and change it. Next word is dolphin or dolphins. Its meaning is a sea animal. And the sentence is a dolphin is a friendly animal. Next word is dragonfly. Its meaning is an insect with the long thin body and 2 pairs of large wings. And the sentence is have you seen a dragonfly before? Next word is duckling. The meaning is a young duck. The sentence is the mother duck and its duckling are swimming in the lake. Your next word is early. The meaning of early is done before the usual time. Then the sentence is she goes for a walk early in the morning. Next word is eagle or eagles. The meaning is a large bird with a sharp hooked beak. And the sentence is an eagle has a sharp curved beak. Next word is empty. The meaning is having nothing inside. Sentence is the jug is empty. There is no water in it. Okay, you can just speak up to this, the jug is empty. It is also correct. Next word is everything. The meaning of everything is all things, and the sentence is everything in the room is brown in color. Next word is 80. Its meaning is the number 80, and the sentence is 8 tens make 80. Next word is farmer. Its meaning is a person who has a farm and works on it. And the sentence is Rohan is a vegetable farmer. Next word is fight. The meaning is to quarrel. And the sentence is we should not fight with one and another. Next word is fireman, and the meaning is a person who puts out fires. And the sentence is the fireman is trying to put out the fire. Next word is fork. Its meaning is a tool used for lifting food to put into the mouth. And the sentence is I love to eat chow mein with the fork. Next word is funny, making you laugh. This is the meaning of funny, and the sentence is the clown is funny, he makes everyone laugh. Next word is giant. Its meaning is a very big and tall person, and the sentence is Gulliver was like a giant amongst the little people. Next is glove or gloves. Its meaning is an item of clothing that you wear on your hand. The sentence is he is wearing gloves because it's too cold. Next word is grasshopper. Its meaning is an insect which can jump high, and the sentence is a grasshopper is a green colored insect. Your next word is group, and its meaning is more than two people or things in the same place, and its sentence is a group of people is called a crowd. Next is hammer. Its meaning is a tool that is used to hit nails into wood, and the sentence is a hammer is a heavy tool. Next sentence is handsome. Its meaning is good looking, okay, especially man, and the sentence is Sunil is a handsome boy. Next word is hobby. Its meaning is what one likes or likes to do during one's free time, and its sentence is my hobby is collecting coins. Your next word is hump. Its meaning is a hump is a big round part on camel's back like this way, and its sentence is camels have one or two humps. Next word is hunter, and its meaning is a person who kills wild animals, and the sentence is the hunter is going to shoot the lion. Next word is ill. Its meaning is sick or not well, and sentence is my brother is ill, he has fever. Next word is indoors. Its meaning is inside a building, and sentence is during monsoon we try to stay indoors. Next is invite. Its meaning is to ask someone to come, and sentence is Ella invited her friends to her birthday party. Next word is iron. Its meaning is an electrical equipment with the flat base that heats up for making the clothes wrinkle free, and its sentence is the iron is hot, don't touch it. And next word is insect. Its meaning is a small animal with 6 legs and a body divided into 3 parts, and its sentence is all insects have 6 legs. Next word is jar. Its meaning is a container usually made of glass with the wide opening at the top, and its sentence is mother keeps cookies in a jar. Next word is jaw. Its meaning is the bone that supports your mouth and makes it move, and the sentence is the punch broke his jaw. Next is joke. The meaning of joke is something that is said to make people laugh, and sentence is everyone laughs at his jokes. Next word is judge. Its meaning is a person who decides the punishment for people who break the law, and the sentence is the judge gives the decision in the court. Next word is jungle, a forest. Okay, And the sentence is there are many wild animals in the jungle. Next word is kind. Its meaning is good hearted and always ready to help others. And sentence is we should be kind to the poor. Next is kick. Its meaning is to hit something with the foot. And the sentence is the boy kicks the ball. Next word is kitten. Its meaning is a baby cat. And the sentence is the kitten is playing with its mother. Next word is kitchen. Its meaning is a place or room where food is cooked. And the sentence is mother is cooking food in the kitchen. Next word is knock. Knock meaning is to hit something. And its sentence is you should knock at the door before you open it. Next word is lamb. Its meaning is a young sheep. And the sentence is Mary had a little lamb. Next word is lazy. Lazy meaning is not wanting to do any work. Its meaning is and its sentence is Mona is a very lazy girl. Next word is leopard. Leopard meaning is a large wild cat with black spots on its skin. And the sentence is a leopard had spots on its body. Next word is lid. Meaning of lid is the cover of a container. And its sentence is mother is putting lid back on the jar. Next word is listen. Its meaning is try to hear something. And the sentence is I am listening to the song. Your next word is machine. Its meaning is a thing that helps people to do something easily and quickly. Its sentence is machines have made our work easier and faster. Next word is medicine. Meaning of medicine is something that sick people take to get well. And its sentence is the doctor gave me some medicine. Next word is minute. Meaning of minute is a unit of time which is same as 60 seconds. And the sentence is there are 60 minutes in an hour. Next word is mirror. And the meaning is a shiny glass surface in which we see ourselves. And the sentence is mirrors show our true presence. So that's it in your syllabus. But you can make any sentence of these words. Like minute, they are written there are 60 minutes in an hour. You can say that I am coming in 5 minutes. Means you can make any sentence and you don't have to learn these meaning. But you should know what is the meaning of the words so that you can make the correct sentence which should make a sense. Okay, so that's it in the video.